Everyone, myself Navya. In this session, I'm going to explain you about how to run the API that has been included in the application. Okay, so let me log into the application as the admin. After logging, click on the menu. Here choose API management module. Okay. Here there are two kinds of API. That is, one is NCIP packets and another one is EasyLib API list. Okay. Here whatever I am showing now, it is called NCIP packets. Here this API is used for RFID as per the NCIP protocols. Here there is a one API that will be used for the so many things called for lookup user and for lookup item, check-in item. Check-in item means if you want to return the item, or checkout means if you want to issue the book and renew the items. For all those things you can use this NCIP packets. Okay, just click on this check-in item. It will show the request in a XML format. Okay, this is same for all these NCIP packets. Just click on this, it will display the responses in a XML format. Okay, and here the next one is EasyLib API list. Here API list means there are so many APIs. If you want to use this API for the RFID purpose, you can use this. So for this first one, it's called book search. If you want to search the books in the easily, you have to just give the name at the last. Okay, and if you want to check the for the member ID, how many books he has been borrowed and how many books he has been requested, and if you want to collect the details of the member, you can enter the member ID. And this fifth one is this an RFID API, that is I have mentioned earlier, that is called the NCIP protocols. And the gate reader API means that is a library check-in checkout, means a student come check into the library and check out of the library. And if you want to check the book, whether the book is issued or not for the particular accession number, you can use this API. And book issued through the kiosk machine, and how many books have been borrowed by the particular student, how many books borrowed, you can see the count and also the list, and how many books are being overdue, and the fine details of the particular student, in out history of a particular student. So all these details you can see out in the easily API list. Okay, if you just click on this API, it will show for the particular member ID how many times he has been and check into the library and checkout time. All this information will be displayed in this API. Okay, same thing for all those API. So how many books have been borrowed by the member ID called 21 EAC012? So it will shows the count of books borrowed by the member ID 21 EAC012. Okay, like this details you can collect using this API. Okay, thank you. And for more information or for more clarification, just go through easylib.net in the Google. Click on the contact. Here you will be able to see the list of contact details, respective contact details. You can just give us a call and you can clarify your doubts. Okay. Thank you.